Hey, what's up everybody? John here from the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel, and today we are comparing pellets. We're going to look at a few different brands, 5 specifically, that are national brands of pellets so that you can decide what you want to use in your outdoor pellet grill, pellet smoker, so that you can cook up some delicious outdoor food. So first, let's talk about Bear Mountain pellets. Bear Mountain pellets are made from 100% hardwoods, and there's no fillers, there's no oils, nothing like that keeping these pellets together. Another thing that's cool about Bear Mountain is that every bag of pellets uses a base of either oak or alder wood, which is actually going to provide a much more consistent burning experience. Now, as far as cost goes, the Bear Mountain pellets are going to be on the cheaper end of pellets. They're not going to be the exact cheapest, at least I've found in my area, but they're traditionally going to come in a 20-pound bag with a couple of different blends that come in a 40-pound bag. Now, speaking of blends, that's kind of one of the cons of Bear Mountain is there's not a ton of variety. Although, most of what they offer is good for just about anything that you want to smoke. Now let's move to the other end and let's look at the Traeger pellets. Now Traeger spent a lot of time getting their moisture ratio correct in their pellets, which helps with low ash buildup. They're also 100% made in the USA, and they have quite a variety of flavors. Now, where the Bear Mountain pellets would fall on the cheaper side, not so with the Traeger pellets. They're going to be some of the most expensive that you can get in the same 20-pound variety. Next, let's talk about the Camp Chef pellets. Now, Camp Chef is known for their pellet smokers and grills, and they've got this blend. They've actually got about 7 different blends. You can sort of roll the dice a little bit on flavor though, because I've found that the Camp Chef pellets aren't always exactly the flavor profile that I'm looking for, but that's not stopping them from still being a good choice. Now, the company does advertise that these pellets burn very, very efficiently. I have, however, found that there's quite a bit of ash buildup after using these pellets, but again, it's not stopping you from using them. You're just gonna have to do a little bit more cleanup. And from the cost side of things, these are gonna be kind of middle of the road. I've found them for usually about $16.99 for a 20-pound bag. Next, we move to the Pit Boss pellets. The main standout feature of these pellets is the sheer variety. There are so many different varieties and flavors of wood pellets that come from Pit Boss. They've got several flavors in a 40-pound, and all their flavors come in a 20-pound bag. They even have seasonal blends like the spring blend or the fall blend or the freedom blend over the 4th of July. And then in addition to variety, versatility is huge. I've used several different flavors of Pit Boss pellets on the same kind of meat, and it always gives just a really, really good, interesting flavor. I have noticed that there's quite a buildup of dust in the bottom, specifically of the Pit Boss bags usually, so you just kind of have to watch that as you're pouring them into your smoker. Pit Boss pellets are also made in the United States, and they fall on just about the cheapest that you can get. Typically, I can get a 20-pound bag for about $10. And now finally, we take a look at the Jack Daniel's whiskey-soaked pellets. Now these pellets are actually maple wood based, and they're made using the actual wood charcoal that is used to make Jack Daniel's Tennessee whiskey. With these pellets, you're gonna find a ton of flavor. You wouldn't wanna use these pellets on anything where you're just looking for a mild smoke. They are gonna be on the more expensive side, about $23, $25 per 20-pound bag. I could actually only find the small 1-pound bag, but you know, I probably just wasn't looking in the right place. But if you like the taste of a whiskey-infused wood flavor, that's exactly what you're gonna get with these Jack Daniel's pellets. So there you have it, 5 of the most popular national brands of wood pellets for your pellet grill or pellet smoker. And the beauty of barbecue is that you can do it however you want it. So whatever you like, even if it's something that's not featured here today, use that, because the most important person in barbecue is you.